Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we will be diving deep into a powerful composition technique, leading lines and golden hour. I have chosen the Lighthouse at Cabo de las Huertas of Alicante to practice these techniques. A very nice and beautiful location. And make sure you watch to the end. I'm sharing more of my secrets for these filming techniques. Leading lines are essentially visual guidelines or pathways that guide the viewer's eye through your image. They create a sense of depth, dynamism, and can tell a story. Some examples of straight leading lines are roads, fences, railway tracks. They guide the viewer eye into a perspective. Other curved leading lines, such as S-shape rivers or roads, coastlines. In our case of the lighthouse, leading lines of the mountain here can guide viewer's eye towards our point of interest, which is the lighthouse. Or the Playa San Juan Bay and its buildings. Even in static scenes, leading lines can suggest motion. If you like this content, please hit the like and consider subscribing to my channel. This helps me a lot. On top of that, if you choose to film during golden hour or to take pictures as well, the light atmosphere and colors add dramatic scenes and views. Take a look at the beautiful texture of the rocks. The lighthouse itself becomes a powerful guideline, emphasizing the height and the strength of the structure. Here are some tips for shooting at sunrise. You have to arrive early at your location to scout the place and identify the good spots for filming and taking pictures. It is highly recommended to use a tripod to improve image sharpness. And you have to experiment with different camera angles. The more you shoot from different perspectives, the more you will discover ideas and objects of interest. Of course, if the weather is good, and sun beam of lights can make it through the clouds. For location scouting, Google Maps and Earth are my go-to tools. They really help me plan out where I'm going to shoot and find interesting things to film. And later, when I'm editing, I adjust the framing and trim the footage to make sure everything looks just right. Well, that was fun. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it interesting. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. And definitely stay tuned for more videos coming your way.